Hello everybody, I'm gonna let the camera focus a minute before we get going. Oh, this is Dunham's. It says Dunham's right on the door. Right on the other side of town. Doing some dumpster diving while Mr. Adventure and Little Adventure get their hair cut. Take a peek. Security camera in use. Science is over there. I've never seen it. And I usually never find anything in here, but I thought I'd give it a try. It's a nice sunny summer day. And yep. Alright, you know, I came for the one down here of the Dollar Tree. This is I don't know if I said, it's on the other side of town. They're at Great Clips right now getting their hair cut, and we're doing this. I know over there used to be the backside. It used to be the backside of Joann's. I can't remember what this is. Anyway, we're going to take a look and see. That little one's locked. This one's just cardboard. Yep. So the yellow lid ones are just cardboard. Let's see what's in here. Anything good? Maybe. Usually I find something, but may or may not today. Oh, I gotta grab the grabber here. Okay. I got a little grabber with me, so I do see a box. I'm sorry y'all about the camera angle. Oh, the one box is empty. That box I just tossed back there. Oh. There we go. Oh. Cheesy crackers. This lid is impossible to put up. But hopefully I'm showing you guys what I'm finding here. They're cheddar cheese toasties. And they're like right in there. Sorry guys, let's try to put you where I can weigh you and still balance the lid. Look at these toasties things. It's a lot of work for what I'm getting, but yep, I got 4 of these. This is what I've been pulling out. That'll be really good for Abby's lunch or Mr. Adventure's lunch. That's the 5th one I grabbed. 6 of them. Right now we kind of are tight on money, so every little bit helps. Okay, then check the other side real quick. So far, 6 boxes of cheese crackers. Oh wait, what's this? Some sort of bag that was left out. Can of soda. Twine. Individually wrapped, yeah. These are Epsom salt tablets. I'm just gonna take a couple. I'm gonna leave this for somebody else. Somebody else. Let's see. Oh, another can of soda. Yep. 2 cans of soda. Take those. 3 are done it on the top, but yeah. Okay, let's get this in the car. Sorry, guys. I need to do something about my setup of making these videos. Maybe a GoPro or something, but I don't know if I'm a big enough channel yet for that. Plus, they're expensive. Alright, I'm gonna put you guys on pause real quick. Okay. Put that in the car. Oh, there's more right here. What are those? Wait, what is that? There's more of these Epsom salts that I took a few of already. But there's this looks like gummies. Let's see if I can get it. See. No way, they are a bunch of gummy candies there. Gummy candies, all in this bag. Score. Okay. I gotta put you guys on pause one more time just so I can get this bag out. It's amazing. It's amazing. Fine, all the gummies. Whole thing's full. Oh, and there's like little tractor toys too. Okay, put you on pause. Alright, y'all, I got it into the car. Oh, that's awesome. This is sitting right there. That's awesome. Alright, grab the grabber. If there's anything more. I mean, there's a bunch of these, there's a bunch of those Epsom salt things in here, but I apologize, y'all. I'm balancing this on my head, the lid, just so that I can get a better picture for y'all. Hopefully you're still sticking around. If you are, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of the video. Red dots over here. Sorry about the airplane, that's the Coast Guard. Red dots. Wait, has this got something in it? Oh, heavens to White Rain. There's pop down there. Oh, man. This is a box of shampoo. Well, you guys gotta get this out, too. That was not easy, y'all. I got the case of pop out. I literally had to jump over the side and teeter over to get it. But I got it, and it was right in there. Whew. I also got that box of White Rain shampoo out, which is nice. Whew. Yeah, I'm like literally holding this up, y'all, while I'm digging in there. So if you're still here, send me some get out of here. It's also probably 80 already, and it's about noon. Broken glass in that one. Alright. Thank you. Alright, let me go somewhere more private and I'll show you what I found. Alright, y'all. Coast Guard's still out. My little blimpy there. Anyway, we are on the other side of where I just was dumpster diving. I'll show you what I got so far. Oh, we got 6 of these Lance's Toasties sandwich crackers. They are cheddar cheese. 6-pack of 4. Perfect for Evie and Mike's lunches. I also grabbed a couple of these Epsom salt tablets. Lavender scent. Ooh. Yeah, I left some for other divers, but I did take this huge bag of gummies. It looks like there's like mac and cheese gummies, some Oscar Mayer gummy in there, and a Vlasic pickle gummy. And there's a bunch of them. And then there's also these little packets of helicopter, tractor, crane. This one's a crane. Little toys. That little hole. I don't want to make a hole, but there is one. Let's see, here's. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all that's in this bag, but it's huge. See, like, it takes up my seat. Yeah, pretty cool. Couple colas there. That's Evie's toy there, but a couple of those colas. And then we got these, this is basically like Sprite or Starry, but it is Faygo Twist. Got a case of that minus like 1 can. And then this is the case of White Rain shampoo. It is literally a whole case. I had to teeter over like this into the dumpster to grab it. But, yeah, y'all hit the thumbs up. Let me know what you really liked about this dive. Catch you in the next one. Bye.